hey, what are you doing?
I thought I'd sneak home and do a quick marinade because it's Tuesday Duck Dodge.
That's right, beautiful day and sailboat races. That sounds delicious.
Yeah. I'm at work just thinking about what to make tonight, and I just remembered it's Tuesday Duck Dodge.
Yes, it
You know
is.
what that means?
Means fun food.
Fun foods, eating in the cockpit,
Good times.
and yakitori sounds really fun.
Oh.
It just sounds fun just to say it.
And plus, who doesn't love meat on a stick?
Yeah, this stick is good. So this is how I make it. So for my yakitori, I'm going to be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs and a couple cloves of garlic, some shallot, pepper, soy sauce, mirin, rice vinegar, chili, and ginger, and of course brown sugar.
Sounds delicious.
He's so cute. So we got about 5 hours before dinner time, so this will be plenty of time for the sauce to marinate the chicken. Okay, so to finish up the sauce, I'm going to use about half a cup of soy. And a quarter cup of mirin.
What is mirin?
It's like a vermouth sherry. I don't really know.
Can you make a cocktail with it?
Probably could. I'm going to use a little bit of rice vinegar just for a little brightness. And like a little heat.
Yeah, bring that heat up.
And of course the ginger. I'm almost out of ginger. I need to get some more ginger.
Put it on the list.
Stuff is invaluable on a boat.
It's gold.
Well, I don't have to scrape it or anything. I would rather use fresh, but this is kind of nice.
No, I meant it's literally gold.
And a little brown sugar. Do a little pepper. I'm going to reserve some of this for basting, but I'm going to go ahead and marinate that with the chicken. Typically with yakitori, you're supposed to cook down the sauce and it thickens, but I like this method as well because I don't really have time to cook it right now to thicken it, but marinating it will actually be just as good. Time to taste.
Well,
Needs a little bit more sugar and a little bit more spice. Sauce is done, so now it's time to cut up the chicken and toss it in the marinade. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and toss this in. I'm gonna reserve some of the sauce for basting later on. And we are all set. Okay, my day is done and time to get skewering. So what I like to do is soak my bamboo skewers in water for a couple hours. The longer they soak, the longer they'll last on the grill, just because it's gonna burn, but it's not gonna burn as quickly as if I didn't do it. Marinade has been in for 4 or 5 hours. Let's see how it looks.
Oh, it smells amazing.
Actually, it does. I like how it's really soaked in the marinade. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, it's time to get it skewered up and get it on the grill.
Let's do this.
All right, it's all skewered up. While I do the side, you want to fire up the grill?
I'm on it.
I'm thinking some green beans, a little onion, and a little toasted sesame seeds.
Perfect.
So while the yakitoris are grilling, I'm going to do a quick stir fry.
Okay, what are you up to?
I did my first flip, and it's time to baste. Get some of the glaze on there.
That is looking tasty.
I know, I'm kind of excited.
So am I.
It's fun and easy. Part of some of the extra sauce.
Ooh, that'll be good.
We're almost done. So the final touches is a little sesame seed and a little spring mix. Alright, so the yakitori is done and we are just about to start the duck dodge. So
Perfect timing.
it is perfect timing. Ooh, they look good.
Hope there's enough.
Well, if there isn't, too bad.
What do you think, Em? Okay, keep going. Duck Dodge has just started. Look at this.